guy commented again. No, he wasn't very, he asked me to put the handcuffs on me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoever's watching this too, just please keep commenting. So I got the key with me, so I can put it on me. Should we do the hinged first? I'm not gonna torture myself first. I'll do that at the end. So first my chain handcuffs, which I got first. Ow. Oh. So, 1 second. That's not very comfortable. I'm not gonna do this again. I just tightened it too much. And now it hurts my wrist. So, there. There we go. And again, I cannot take these apart. Like I literally pulled as hard as I could. Now, these are metal handcuffs. So I am going to take these bad boys off of me. Because, by the way, shout out to this person that's commenting on my videos. No clue who they are, but still shout out. So, now these chained handcuffs, which are freaking, I hate them. Freaking hate them. Got my police belt. But I'm just going to pull out this little stool thing so that I can sit down. Now, these are bigger handcuffs too. I have thought of a smart idea. So, if I use my villains sleeves, my soccer team's sleeve, well, not really soccer teams. Villain's sweater. This should not be that painful. I tightened it too much. Oh no. That's not good. That's not smart. That also isn't good. I mean, I'm not home alone, but at the same time, I don't want to go to my mother and say that I got lost in my handcuffs. I'm gonna go report to my mother. I'm back. That feels so much better. Okay, so let's not tighten it all the way so that I can say and also get, so this one, like, if I did have it tightened enough, I just, like, can't move my wrists. I can move them like this, not like this, sadly. Okay, that's the video. Next time I'll try and not lock myself in the handcuffs.